Ndị be anyị Igbo Igbo ekene m unu nke onye chiri ya zelu nwere ihe ọzọ anyị ji wee maka ya wee bịara ụbọchị tata bụ maka ihe gbasara nwanne anyị nwoke nke da stroke nke bụ Amechi. Unu mara onye ọ bụ Amechi muonago, onye Obosi. Ọ because of some bloggers ndị tinyere online based on ọ na-ahịa ego ihe gbasara the stroke ọ na-arụ ọnwụ ya. The family do well to do. The family Amechi muonago na-afụ nwere 12 doctors. They practiced all this doctoring something na obodo Igbo. 12 doctors ka ha nwere na their family, muonago family. Amechi muonago do well to do when they take care of him very, very well. Like somebody like Igbo Oba, Onya bụ the president in the medical association in Anambra State. Obezi in America. A doctor come to. Ụmụ ya doctor. So how we doctor when the person Amechi muonago na ego or the bloggers na-eje or ka eme today or whatever or ka I castigate the name of the muonago family or whatever, I don't know. So you check akwalo ụmụ nwanne oke be dey angry. About the really much. You check akwalo won na akụ ụmụ nwanne oke. Ihe happen. Na gwa owu omeligwe na gwa owu automobile engineer America. Automobile engineer. Then the other one were a pure natural born. Mamoti mesiko wanu no baru lugu ngezenti kuni. Yeah, the word have we heard from him. This is the senior brother, Obed. The chief engineer automobile, African born based in US. The senior brother is like, I won't forget every day still at the phone. Why? Because of people that are coming on social media to blackmail muonago's family, saying a set of things, for them to make money from the Amechi on very, very bad.
Yeah, let me add also. Let me add also. When I came back and I spoke with Amechi, and I said, "What do you want?" And he told me that there's a hospital in Were or Imo State somewhere, non-traditional or traditional hospital. They've heard a lot about that. They have the capability of curing people with stroke. And I told him, how much will that cost? He said they've not made inquiries. And I said, please, contact those people, make inquiries and let me know. Let them muonago, let us know how much it is.
All people by hearing
let us know how much it is.
From the direct source, the senior brother. Automobile chief engineer based in US. Are you hearing from him? All because of him after social media now call that check me now.
Yeah, the senior brother is crying, because my father married to 2 women. Okay, Amechi is my half brother. So the senior brother from the same mom, he was here during our burial. He's been complaining. He's the one sourcing, the money contributed was entrusted under his care, and then he's the one paying Amechi needs, medicine and food and this. He's the one, dishing out that money. So everybody is confused. Nobody knew exactly how that thing came about. And when I came back, I gave them what I gave them. I don't want to say how much. Before all these things, before I started all these things, yeah. So.
I wouldn't much to say now from the direct source, the senior brother. Nothing to say much. Go to Nigeria because of the blackmail. Another the actors guild of Nigeria, they in Nollywood, not changing mother bego, you probably have when you have a bego. Nanoli, the family do well to do. If Batano Bosi, one in one, no, it's Anambra State. Throughout Nigeria, even in US, one in one, I go family. A bit with 12 doctors. One night, but then I was so what do you deal with it? Man didn't know into such. So what are we doing about muonago family? Castigate here online and social media. Who now look here? And what do you want to say?
I never talk again. I go alone the latest.
Yes, sir.
So we know your name.
My name is Obed muonago.
Yeah, I can see one of the brothers of Amechi muonago, mainly a wood actor from Actor Group of Nigeria. And you heard a lot about what is happening to him. So we'd like to verify some certain things from you about what is going on social media. So what do you have to tell us about you as a brother?
Yeah, what I have to tell you is that Zach muonago family is very tight.
Yes,
is
we know
very
that.
closely knitted. We don't infight and we don't discriminate. Amechi is a brother. On my father's side, I senior a person before him.
Wow.
Yeah, so I'm his senior, okay?
They look younger, but much younger than I.
Yes, I'm his senior. Amechi is being taken care of by the family. Unfortunately, I read what I read, and I was on my way from US to Nigeria for the burial of my mom. And that's when people started calling me my friends. And I listened to it. I heard what they said. To be honest with you, I didn't listen to any video. They forwarded it to me, I didn't play it. So when I came back, I called Amechi. He answered. And I said, what is happening? And I wasn't informed. He apologized and said he thought it's something he could handle, but it's getting out of hand. So eventually I got home and I met with my brothers. One of them is Dr. Muonago, who was the president of Nigerian Medical Association of Anambra State. Dr. Muonago, the last one of the male, has been taking care of Amechi. Amechi has been hospitalized in his hospital. He moved Amechi from Lagos to teaching hospital. The chief medical director of that teaching is a family friend. I'm talking now to the world. He's a family friend, and it came as a surprise to what we read. I want to tell the world, Amechi is not lacking. He's not in need. Amechi is being well taken care of. Exactly. There is no medical bill as of now that Amechi or the family couldn't offset. There is nothing. His medicine, medications, and dialysis is being taken care of. If Amechi is seriously in need of something, you would have heard that Amechi is wanting to sell one land or the other. Yes. He has a lot of landed properties here, and none is being sold. So whoever put that thing on social media simply wanted to extort
money, yeah?
Yes, blackmail. And I don't know, it's incomprehensible. When I came here, the immediate junior brother of Amechi, who is a high-ranking officer of the prison system, goes every other day to the hospital to see Amechi and give him food. That lady has been crying after reading that thing. Wow. Because if Amechi has said that this is my situation, my fans, my family has been helping, but anything any of my fans want to contribute will be appreciated. Exactly. Instead of saying that I am suffering, I am lacking, I'm being moved from one hospital to the other, I need help. Amechi does not need help. I am up there in muonago. As at now, Amechi does not need help. Amechi's needs have been met in the hospital. There is no hospital bill as I speak that the family cannot meet. Okay? So whoever connive with anybody to do that, they know why they are doing it. They want to, there is reality in life and there is Hollywood and Hollywood in life. This is not Nollywood or Hollywood. No, exactly. This is reality in life. Amechi is in their need. He is very sick, but the family is taken care of.
We've heard about that before.
When I saw Amechi in diaper, I called the wife and I inquired how that picture came to be. They told me it was during a physical therapy session that somebody took it, and I said I am going to sue
the person that did it.
I am going to sue teaching hospital. Why they should allow their staff to take that kind of picture. But eventually, when I talked to all the members of my family, I knew exactly what the issue was. Okay? Some people also within the family wanted to extort that, and I wouldn't want to go against the hospital whose chief medical director is a family friend. But outside of that, if they have done it without the consent of a family member, I should have sued them.
Please, I'm sorry for interrupting you. Can you be able to show us what I've seen on your phone? What the doctor sent to me for the world to see?
Like I said, my brother is the CMD of Nanda's Teaching Hospital is a very good friend.
Yes.
He is briefing my brother. This is to my brother, Dr. Imam Muonago.
Yes.
He is briefing my brother on everyday treatment of Amechi. Yes. He has a lot of them.
The Amechi muonago is stable.
Yes.
He had another section of
Yes.
hemodialysis on Friday. And physiotherapy yesterday, he has also been reviewed by the plastic surgery units same day. The repeat Doppler ultrasounds in the forelimbs showed evidence of DVT. FMS today was 78 milligrams to BL. He had no complaint today. The word in Ananokuya, I used to by Ananokuya. Like Andy after social media, I open up social media, Muonago family is well to do. How many doctors? How many doctors? How many everything?
We have more than 12 doctors
more
in
than
the
12
family.
doctors in the family.
What is, if I can...
They have the money, whatever, in the world. When or what he is getting better. Maybe it's better now. I'm going to fill in the phone here. No, keep on. You can finish up with what you
No, it's just very unfortunate. Again, like I said, if that video clip, which I didn't listen to, if he had said, please, just to let my fans know, this is my situation. My family has been very helpful, but any of my fans that wants to contribute towards my please, yes, that would have been acceptable to us. It's not to tell the world that you are lacking, you move from one hospital. Who is moving you from one hospital to other? Who?
Why the family has up to 12 doctors?
Yeah, you've stayed in your brother's Dr. Emmanuel Muonago's hospital. You've been hospitalized there. You've been hospitalized there. Not a couple of days. There's no need for me to say that. So you are being taken care of, my brother. You've been taken care of. Every member of the Muonago family is very angry. Not a single one. Every one of them. Mike Muonago is another one that just went and just was very angry. They told me what he wrote. I have not read it, but he just kind of nullified the whole thing that Amechi is not lacking. Yeah. So I had wanted you guys to interview each and every one of them. We were all here, and they will tell you the same thing. Like I said, the immediate junior sister has been crying because she reads her life. My understanding, the road to that hospital is very bad, but she reads it every other day to supply Amechi with food and other things and to see how he was doing. All these things are discounted, you know. So the word Amechi Muonago is not lacking.
It's not lacking anything.
If Muonago, the senior brother, is the one saying this.